How to log into your Huntington Bank online banking account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. You need to start by heading over to any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you need to search for Huntington Bank Login. Now move into the very first site. Click on it. You will be landing on the official site of Huntington Bank. So once you have landed on this page, click on this icon at the top. And it will land you on this page where you'll be able to log into your account. First of all, enter the username and then enter the password of your account. Once you have entered the password, tap on Login. After that, if the login credentials are correct, then you will be successfully logged into your bank, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.